To unlatch the hood, come to the hood release and pull out. Then coming to the center of the hood, find your hood release and open up. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove your oil fill cap. So for your 2018 GMC Sierra, you're going to need oil filter pliers, a 15mm socket or wrench, an oil filling container and a funnel, and then 8 quarts of 0W20, and I'm using an Amsoil oil filter. So to start, come underneath the vehicle and go towards the back. And your oil filter and drain plug are going to be right here. But if you're using it with severe use, it's only rated for 15,000. So something to keep in mind. We're in Nova Scotia. Our rating is usually just 15,000. To reset your oil life monitor using the pad, scroll over until you get to oil life and press